To my favorite person. I respect your busy days, please take care of yourself for me. Just wanted to let you know that, no matter how much we talk every day, it will never be enough to me. Each time I receive a text, call, or picture from you, my heart flutters with excitement. It makes my days brighter, and it's amazing to know that I cross your mind for 1 second and you're thinking me too. Every single day I wake up feeling like the luckiest person in the world to have you. You have made an impact in my life that nobody else could come close to. Remember that I'm waiting for you, every second, every minute, every day and always. I wish I could give you a tight hug right now. I miss you so much.